Hi everyone, and welcome. Today we're going to be making stuffed sweet Italian sausages. And how we're going to do this is we're going to take the sausages and we're going to cut halfway down in there, not all the way, just enough to open it up. And then we're going to take some string cheese, mozzarella string cheese, and stuff it in there. I already cut some up to save everyone from the boring stuff. We're just going to do a few more just to show everyone all the exciting stuff here. Alright, once we got everything all stuffed in here, we're going to pile on some Rayos marinara. We're going to cover that all up, give it a nice coating, be very gracious with it. Spread it around. And we're going to give it a little bit of Italian seasoning. That'll give it a little extra kick. Don't be bashful with it. And for the kicker, we'll add some more mozzarella cheese on top. Make it a little extra cheesy. And we're going to stick this in our oven for about 45 minutes at 400 degrees, and we'll be back then. Alright guys, we're back and our 45-minute timer is up, and we are going to pull these stuffed sausages out of the oven. And boy, you only could wish you were here to smell it. It really smells good. Look at that. Look at how good that is. That's going to be really good. Alright, let's pull one out of here. Put it here on our bun. Let's see, which one? Let's go for this one. Right here on the end. Wow, look how nice and cheesy that is. Let's cut it in half. Look at that. Look at how nice that looks. Nice and cooked and cheesy. Let's give it a bite. This is what I call cook's privilege right here. Get the first sample. You definitely got to try a mocha. That's very good. Alright everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video, And if you did, please hit that like button and subscribe. And be sure to catch me on the next one. Bye for now.